Hello, Lisa Arana here, and welcome to another Assemble This Video Christmas card edition. Today's card is all about layering pretty pattern paper, an amazing stamp set, and some foiling for one amazing Christmas card with lots of shine at the end. I'm featuring the Heart of Christmas October 2020 Sentiment Kit from Unity Stamp Company. Has a fun snowflake heart and lots of great holiday words and sentiments in this kit. I'm starting out with a bunch of pattern papers that I chose. These are digital papers, so I did print them out. They are an Echo Park set that came out years and years ago, but I love that they're available in digital. And then I stamped all my images using the VersaFine Clair ink. And then on top of that, I restamped it with the Decofoil transfer gel. That's going to help me with the foiling. I let that all dry completely, and then I'm going to layer over this white foiling sheet and then a red foiling sheet over the sentiment. There is a bit of grain to the Decofoil red, so I just want to make sure that the lines are going into the machine perpendicularly. That way it helps hopefully to get a better impression of that foiling. Sometimes you'll get little black marks, which is fine. That's why we stamp the image in black, so we don't lose the actual image of the stamp. It fills in where the foiling may miss, but hopefully by using the grain and running it through the laminator that way, we'll catch a crisper image. So here we go, revealing that beautiful white. Wow, that covered great. And then the beautiful red sentiment. I'm really excited. I love these colors. I'm not a traditional green and red kind of gal. I love to mix different colors into my Christmas cards, and I'm really loving this blue and red that's kind of going on. So I'm just messing around with my panels here. I die cut all these pattern papers, and I'm just kind of seeing how they look nice behind each other. Like I said, I did print these out, so I had a mishap and I didn't want to waste the good paper, so I just turned it over and printed on top of that, so that's why there's all this weird verbiage on the back of my digital papers. Just going to glue those down, keeping the layers as simple as possible, kind of lifting up the edges so we have a little bit of dimension. I'm going to add some foam adhesive to the back of that center panel that we foiled with that white foil paper over the snowflake heart. Gosh, I love that. It turned out really pretty. And then I'm going to cover the center with my sentiment, which I did die cut with the same die cut that I used for the rectangles, so it kind of looks like it matches. And here's our finished card. I just love the shine from that bold sentiment, and then all those pretty papers just makes my heart pretty happy. As always, I'll have all the supplies linked in the description of this video. If you have any questions or sweet comment, post below. Thanks for creating with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.